Avalanche value equivalent to $21.2173 a gibber. The present exchanged cost range, $20.5514 gibber, $21.393. The gibber day close, $20.6994. The change was plus gibber 5,179, jabber 2, gibber papaya, converse rate, US to gibber. Dollar to Avalanche gibber for November 2024. Before all else cost at gibber 0.047 coins. Excessive costs of 0.060, while low jabber 0.047. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber 0.053. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends of gibber 56, change for November 19th. 1 gibber. US to gibber expectation for December 2024. In the first place, cost at ointment gibber 56 coins. Exorbitant cost gibber 59, while lows and 0.051. The found the middle value of cost gibber ointment 55. The S to Avax gauge toward the month's ends of 0.055. Change for jabber 1.8 papaya. Dollar to Avalanche gibber for January 2025. First and foremost cost at gibber 0.055 coins. Exorbitant cost gibber 0.056, while lows and 0.049. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.053. The S to Avax estimate toward the month's end gibber 0.053. Change for January 3.6%. Gibber to Avax expectation for February 2025. First and gibber cost at 0.053 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.053, while low jabber 0.042. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.048. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends of 0.045. Change for February jabber 0.1%. Dollar to gibber figure for WARC 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.045 coins. Papaya cost gibber 0.045, while lows and 0.036. The found the middle value of costs are gibber 41. The S to Avax gauge toward the month's ends of 0.039. Change for spring jabber 0.3%. US to Avax expectation for gibber 2025. First and gibber cost at 0.039 coins. Exorbitant costs are gibber 40, while lows and 0.035. The found the middle value of costs are gibber 38. The S to Avax gibber toward the month's ends of 0.038. Change for April 2.6%. Dollar to Avalanche gibber for May 2025. To start with, cost at gibber 38 coins. Exorbitant cost gibber 0.038, while lows and 0.030. The found the middle value of costs are gibber 35. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end gibber 0.032. Change for May 15.8%. US to Avax expectation for gibber 2025. In the first place, cost at gibber 0.032 coins. Exorbitant costs are 0.032, while low jabber 0.026. The found the middle value of costs are 0.03 gibber. The S to Avax gauge toward the month's ends at gibber 28. Change for June 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for gibber 2025. Initially cost at gibber 0.028 coins. Gibber costs are 0.028, while lows and 0.023. The found the middle value of costs are gibber 26. The S to Avax estimate toward the month's ends of 0.024. Change for July jabber 0.3%. US to gibber expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at gibber 24 coins. Exorbitant cost gibber 0.025, while lows and 0.022. The found the middle value of cost gibber papaya 24. The gibber to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.024. Change for August 0.0%. Dollar to gibber gauge for September 2025. Before all else cost at disappointment gibber 24 coins. Excessive costs are 0.024, while low jabber 0.021. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber 0.023. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end gibber 23. Change for September 4.2%. Gibber to Avax expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.023 gibber. Exorbitant cost gibber 0.024, while lows and 0.021. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.023. The US to Avax papaya toward the gibber end 0.023. Change for October's in points and percent. Dollar to gibber gauge for November 2025. First and foremost cost at gibber 0.023 coins. exorbitant costs of 0.024, while low Jabber 0.021. They found the middle value of costs of 0.23. The US to Avax Jibber toward the month's end 0.022, change for November 4.3%. Jibber to Avax expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.022 coins. Jibber costs of 0.023, while lows and 0.020. They found the middle value of cost 0.22. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end disappointment 0.21, change for December 4.5%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jibber 2026. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.021 coins. Excessive cost 0.24, while lows and 0.221. The Jibber at the midpoint of costs are 0.22. The US to Avax conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.022, change for January 4th. 8 Jibber. Jibber to Avax expectation for February 2026. At the Jibber cost at 0.022 coins. Excessive cost 0.023, while lows and 0.02 Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber point Papaya 22. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.021, change for Jabber 4.5%. Dollar to Avalanche Jibber for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.021 coins. Exorbitant cost disappointment point Jibber 26, while lows and 0.021. They found the middle value of costs at point Jibber 23. The US to applesauce figure toward the Jibber ends at 0.025, change for spring 19.0%. US to Avax Jibber for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.025 Jibber. Exorbitant costs at 0.025, while low Jabber 0.020. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.023. The US to Avax estimate toward the Jibber ends at 0.021, change for April 16.0%. Dollar to Jibber estimate for May 2026. In the first place cost at 0.Jibber21 coins. Jibber costs are 0.027, while lows and 0.021. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.024. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.025, change for May 19th. Jibber. US to Avax expectation for Jibber 2026. First and Jibber cost at 0.025 coins. Exorbitant costs of 0.032, while low Jabber 0.025. They found the middle value of cost Jibber point disappointment 28. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.030, change for June 20th. Jibber. Dollar to applesauce Jibber for July 2026. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.03 and coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.030, while lows and 0.025.